everyone else how the situation is now, Armineh.
The situation now actually is worse in town because now we're actively being attacked by artillery and drones, and a couple of missiles have fallen on different parts of the town, the capital city, Stepanakert. I cannot say anything about the human casualties because it's too early to judge. But Human Rights Defenders Office is basically going on a fact-finding mission. They will give us the information by the end of the day, I hope. But the fact is that some journalists went and pictured and they saw blood on the place of the crater. So I think that unfortunately we will have more and more casualties among civilians. As to the fighting, it's going on. It's on the line of contact. The fighting is fierce and it continues. While with regional centers, I guess every day they choose one or two and they heavily bombard it via air and via missile launchers. And they use Smerch and Sonzebok. They're actually forbidden, especially for use on the civilians.
So did everyone else understand that?
Yes.
You didn't understand.
It's an overt violation of the international humanitarian law, including Geneva Conventions. And as you may have heard, also journalists were heavily wounded yesterday in Martuni Center. They were not anywhere near the front line or anything. They were in the city filming, talking to this Martuni residents, covering the situation. Oh, it has gone off again, the siren. I'm afraid I will be asked to go down.
Of course.
Oh, right.
Well, in our thoughts
I could leave this on and come back. I don't know. It may be short time. You decide. If you have something to discuss with each other, then can you hear it?
I think you've got to go because you've got to go.
You've got to go. Yeah.
If you could send us any information.
I will quickly go and come back because otherwise I'll be told off if I don't go down. Yeah, I will just go, leave it here, go and come back.
Okay.
Hopefully you will see nothing horrible while I'm missing.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
And I'll be able to take my seat.
Thank you. Grim news.
So I'm going to stop recording.
And that is